Forgot H&M password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to recover H&M account password. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for H&M and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the first link you see there. You will be led to the home page of H&M, so go ahead and tap on the sign in option you see there at the top. You will then see the option for forgot password, tap on that. You will now be asked to enter your email address, so go ahead and enter the email address that you used to sign into H&M with and tap on the submit button. You will then receive an email from H&M regarding the same, so go ahead and open your inbox and tap on the mail from H&M. You will see the option for click here. Tap on that and now you will be asked to create a new password. So go ahead and create a new password and make sure to follow the requirements for password. That is minimum 8 characters, 1 number, 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase. Enter your new password twice and tap on the change password button, and with this your password will be changed successfully. So this is how you can recover H&M password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this.